no, so many boxes. New home, new life. But I feel a little nervous. Okay, one box at a time. This place is small. And it's expensive. I need a new apartment. Okay, time to move.
Apartment. Small. Expensive. Move.
Let's start packing. Kitchen items go here. Books in this box. Bedroom, clothes. This takes so much time.
Pack. Box. Kitchen. Clothes. Tape.
I'm tired. Too many boxes. Why do I have so many things?
Hey, Emma.
Hi, I need help.
I'm coming.
Thank you.
Wow, that's a lot.
I know.
Let's do it together.
Yes. They start packing fast.
This box is heavy.
Careful.
What's inside?
Books.
Ha, makes sense.
Heavy. Careful. Help. Together.
Today is the day.
Ready?
I think so. Be careful with that one.
Is it fragile?
Yes.
Almost done.
Finally.
Truck. Move. Fragile. Carry.
Wow, it looks nice.
Very nice.
I like it already. Where is the elevator?
Over there.
It's small.
One box at a time.
This is hard work.
Almost there.
I'm tired again.
After this, we rest.
Deal.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Are you new?
Yes, I just moved in.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you. I'm Emma.
Which apartment?
5B.
Oh, I'm 5A.
That's great.
We are neighbors.
Yes.
If you need help, tell me.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Neighbor. Welcome. Help. Kind.
Okay, kitchen first. Where is my spoon? Everything is messy.
That's normal.
I know.
Hi, Emma.
Hi.
I brought coffee.
Oh, wow, thank you. This is nice.
Welcome to the building.
I feel better now. New home, new neighbors, new life. I'm happy.
Pack. Box. Move. Apartment. Neighbor. Help. Welcome. Unpack. Friendly. Let's start packing. This box is heavy. Be careful, I just moved in. Nice to meet you. If you need help, tell me. Moving is not easy. But new beginnings are exciting. And kind people make everything better. Keep learning. Keep practicing. You're doing great. See you next time.